Breaking news out of New York. A federal appeals court has just upheld the massive $83.3 million verdict against former President Donald Trump in the defamation case brought by writer Carroll. This ruling marks another major legal blow for Trump, as judges said the jury's decision was both reasonable and necessary, given Trump's repeated attacks against Carroll. In this video, we'll break down exactly what the court said, why the damages were upheld, what Trump's legal team is arguing now, and what this could mean for his ongoing legal battles. Stay tuned until the end because this case is tied to a much bigger political fight. The case started when Carroll, a well-known magazine writer, accused Donald Trump of sexually assaulting her in the 1990s. Trump denied the allegations, saying she wasn't his type, and claimed she fabricated the story to sell books. Carroll then sued Trump for defamation, arguing that his denials and attacks damaged her reputation. A first jury already awarded her $5 million, finding that Trump both sexually abused and defamed Carroll. That verdict was upheld earlier this year. But Trump didn't stop there. Even after losing in court, he continued to make public statements mocking Carroll and denying her claims. And those repeated comments led to this second trial, where the jury hit Trump with an $83.3 million penalty. On Monday, the Second Circuit Court of Appeals upheld that massive verdict. In their written decision, the three-judge panel said, the damages were reasonable given the evidence. Trump's repeated attacks, even after being warned, justified the punitive damages. His behavior was described as extraordinary, egregious, and unprecedented. The judges specifically pointed out that Trump launched fresh attacks on Carroll within 48 hours of the first verdict and kept going right up until this trial. In other words, the court said the $83 million verdict wasn't excessive, but rather a direct consequence of Trump's own actions. Trump's legal team immediately fired back. In a fiery statement, his spokesperson demanded a swift dismissal of all the witch hunts against him. They argue that the Carroll case is part of a political weaponization of the justice system, funded by Democrats to stop Trump's political comeback. The statement even suggested that because some of Trump's denials happened while he was president, the Department of Justice should have defended him in court. Trump's lawyers continue to frame the Carroll lawsuits as politically motivated hoaxes, but so far, judges have not been persuaded by that argument. This ruling comes at a time when Donald Trump is facing multiple legal battles across the country, ranging from election interference cases to criminal indictments. Supporters see these lawsuits as part of a broader campaign to stop Trump from returning to the White House. Critics, on the other hand, argue that Trump is facing accountability for years of misconduct. The big question now is, will this verdict hurt or help Trump politically? Some experts believe that legal setbacks only strengthen his narrative of being unfairly targeted, energizing his base. But others point out that an $83 million penalty is a stunning amount, and that average Americans may see this as proof of Trump's reckless behavior. So what happens next? Trump's lawyers may try to appeal again, but for now, the $83 million verdict against him stands. This case isn't just about money. It's about credibility, accountability, and the clash between Trump and the legal system. What do you think? Was the court right to uphold this massive penalty, or is this another example of political bias against Trump? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more updates on U.S. politics and breaking news. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a big story.